disagree with what David said, that the government has more power, because when, like, for example, when we're selecting the president, all the citizens can come and vote, and the government also has a little piece in it. It's not, the government goes, yeah, I like him, let's not let anyone else decide. I like him, let's let him be president.
I agree with Taylor because it has to be equal. I don't agree with David because why if the government was overpowering people, then wouldn't it feel like that we're being slaves?
Slaves to the government.
So what type of government is it that actually controls everything?
Republican.
No. Republican is part of a democratic,
Like a
Pub- yeah.
dictatorship or something?
okay. And where do you find dictatorships? What kind of countries?
Germany?
Okay, and what kind of country was Germany? As far as their political beliefs, they were what? You're outside it, only the inside.
They have a lot of imperialism.
Okay, what?
They have a lot of imperialism.
Nationalism?
You might want to go back. That might be something you want to write down to go back and research. Okay, so you might want to write that down as was one of your notes. Okay, anybody else want to plug in something? Go ahead, Kate.
What do you think the leaders discussed in the Potsdam conference?
Well, it looks like the U.S. tried to get Japan to surrender. They tried to get Japan to surrender, but looks like that didn't really work.
My question is, how would they try to get Japan to surrender when in the conference it was leaders of the Allied powers?
I think they try to get the Allied powers to force Germany into surrender.
Yeah.
Germany.
I have a question about the Potsdam conference. I was trying to look it up earlier, but I couldn't find it. Why was it held in Potsdam and not in the particular place?
I think maybe Castilla's told me there was a lot of leaders in Europe at the time, and Potsdam is in Europe, and so it would have been an easier place for them to get to.
All in not as many soldiers.
Yeah, they probably, I'm guessing they wanted to go to the same place. Maybe like a smaller town where people wouldn't expect them to be at, so they wouldn't, people couldn't.
My question is, if Germany was part of the Axis powers, and it was a conference for the Allied powers, and they wanted to have it in Europe, why wouldn't they just have it not in Germany? Because Germany would have been, they could invade it at any time.
Okay, I'd like to plug in there. If you look back at the date of when this occurred, was it after VE Day? If it was after Victory over Europe Day, it would make sense to why they would meet there, because at that point Germany had already surrendered. So what Audrey had mentioned about being in Europe, it wouldn't make sense for all these leaders to come to the United States to meet. The Allied powers were meeting in Germany, not with the Axis powers. They were meeting as allies to see how are we going to address this problem with Japan? How are we going to address this problem with the war that was still going on? So it was a plan where that's when Truman came up with, we're going to go ahead and drop these bombs. We're giving them an ultimatum. It wasn't a choice he made to say, we're just going to drop these bombs, no warning. We're going to give them an option, surrender, or this is what we're going to do. Okay, I'm going to stop you guys so that the next group can go ahead.